Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional on this Easter Sunday, yes, the weekend edition of Sunday, March the 30th, 31st, 2024. I already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left: the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes, and this one will be number 82. Yes, 82. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes and 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. This one is quick to solve. Yes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.